I just want to ask you one more question. That is,
Yeah.
what made you to step inside the communication mastery? Like, what was the first video which you have watched so far in Rahul Bhatnagar? Like, it may be a Joe Talk, or it may be the Facebook ads which were running on your profile. So,
Yeah.
which
So
one did
like
you like?
yeah. So yeah. So thanks for asking that question, man. So like, see, I was going for a job, and when I used to return back to PG, I was just scrolling and I was just swiping up all those posts in Facebook.
Okay.
And suddenly it happened that I came across this Rahul Bhatnagar's ad, and there he was explaining that triangle wala thing. Okay,
Yeah.
and I went, like, I clicked on that and I watched that video. Like, it's around like 2 to 3 minutes video where he powerfully tells that communication, like he explains how communication is important. That what, like, I went mad on that video. And in that video he asked, like, to enroll, like, to get in his first session, which is free. So there was, like, it was a free session which was happening on Sunday 7:30. So it was free, we just need to have to register. And I went and I registered. So after that registration, when that Rahul Bhatnagar gave his first talk, when he explained how communication is important, I went mad because he told there that how communication is important. Because we had attended 50 to 60 interviews, Sumo, where we were sometimes, we were not speaking nicely, or we were not speaking properly, or we were not able to collect words and put across to the interviewer. So we were facing that issue, and every time it happened, we were kicked out. We were not getting that job. So we were again going back to Bangalore and again attending those interviews and all. So that what came in my, like, that what came in my mind. And yeah, this is the real thing which we want. And communication is the best thing we can do, because we are speaking since childhood. Any person, whoever is the person, if, like, there are, like, if you count any people except the disabled ones, so we can speak, we have that ability to speak. So why we should not make this as a stronger? Why, where, like, if we have that good communication skill, you can carry yourself very better. So all these thoughts came in my mind, and I started. Exactly. Thank you, man. So, like, I started giving thoughts like this, and I felt that, yeah, communication is very much important, and that what inspired me. And yeah, with that Rahul Bhatnagar mentorship, with that webinar, whatever change has happened, whatever is the transition in me, whatever is the transformation in me, it's all because of that video, all because of that ad. So that is the ad, that is the Facebook ad which made me watch through. Thank you, Teja. Yeah. So
Yeah.
like, that was the video which had turned my life, like, you turn 360, whatever turn it is, whichever angle you want, tell that. But yeah, that is what the turning point of my life. And from there I never look back, and I'm keeping on going, and going far and far. Let us see where we will reach. And yeah, that was the
All
video.
the
The
best.
Facebook ad was the video where I have, like, it meant me like a world.
Great, great, and great words. And all the best for your future endeavors with them. You are doing an awesome job. You're inspiring so many people
Likewise,
also.
wishing you. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Wishing you also do something big, man. Like, you have all those.
Okay.
To be very honest, Sumuk, like, excuse me. Like, to be very honest, I am inspired by you. As you know that we were doing job in BPO, we were taking those calls, and you were telling me, Vikram, no, come, let us go and find job in Bangalore, let us do something big. You were telling that, but I was like, no, Vikram, I will, like, no, Sumo, I will be here only, I will become a team leader and blah 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 and all those stuff. But when I see myself now, I feel that, yeah, because of you, I took that action. We both went to attend interviews in Bangalore 50, 60 times, no matter
Yeah.
whatever time it is. But we never stepped back. We never, okay, we didn't got any thought, like, no, so many times we have gone, we need to travel from Mysore to Bangalore, and then we need to attend those jobs. But we never felt, or we never thought, or you never told me that, no, Vikram, you should stop